Arrhythmias and Obesity Research Lab. I'm Kedar Aras, Assistant Professor in the Department of Physiology and Biophysics in the Jacob School of Medicine and Biomedical Sciences at University at Buffalo. For this episode, I wanted to share the highlights for the month of January 2024. There were two major highlights. The first was I will have to step in for one of my colleagues to teach a class on human physiology. The colleague had a little bit of a situation, so he had to step out. So it's a short notice, but I will be teaching respiratory physiology. It's a course of maybe 12 lectures, but I don't mind teaching. I enjoy teaching, so it'll be a fun experience. It's not exactly related to my direct interest in cardiac electrophysiology, but it's close enough. So I have access to the slides which he used the last year. So I'll make a few changes, make sure that it conforms to what I'd like to cover according to the syllabus, and it should be fun. The other accomplishment, if you will, was another student, a master's student, has reached out to possibly wanting to join the lab to do his master's. And this time around, I have asked him to do a rotation in my lab. So he will be doing a 2-month rotation where I'll get a chance to see him in action, present a few papers at the lab meetings, see how quickly he can pick up skills. And then based on that evaluation, I'll make a final decision. But the fact that he proactively reached out and was comfortable with doing a rotation and had actually read up on a couple of my papers as a postdoc, looks positively on his behalf. So looking forward to working with him, and we'll see what happens. So those are the two major accomplishments or highlights for the month of January. See you